and welcome back to another video here at Meggie and Jamie's Adventures. So I'm hoping you can hear over the wind, but you probably can't, and I'm talking really quietly. But today we're at Arlington Court. It's a National Trust property, so we're going to have a wander, so come along. Okay, so I'm back now home from Arlington Court. We had a really nice time. We had cream tea, we had luxury hot chocolates, we had a nice walk, even though it was absolutely bucketing it down outside. It was really nice to just get out and about and have a bit of a walk. Arlington Court are, as I said before, they're a National Trust property. I'm gonna write a blog about it because the way that, like, it's really interesting, like the way it makes me feel and different things like that. Just seeing all the old artifacts, and the lady that used to live there was like a big lover of natural history and animals and the sea, and obviously that's all things me, so I really resonate with it there. They also had a carriage museum, which was really cool, so you can see lots of carriages that we saw, and we also played on the hobby horses because, you know, we're just big kids at heart. But this video is nice and short and sweet, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.